After 5 decades of perfecting the art of cooking eggs, I've picked up some valuable tricks along the way. Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorites with you. First, crack an egg into a small bowl. I'm using an 8-inch non-stick pan. We want to preheat the pan to medium-low, add 2 large pats of butter, and let it completely melt. Once it's completely melted, we'll gently add our egg to the pan. We'll let it cook in place about a minute or so. Now we'll start basting our egg. I'll lean the pan towards me and scoot the egg away, allowing the spoon to fill with melted butter. I'll gently baste the white of the egg, and we'll baste the yolk of the egg to desired doneness. I want the yolk cooked to over easy, so I'll baste the yolk until I see it turn lightly white. Remember to subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out. It turned out beautifully. We'll plate the egg. The white is thoroughly cooked. The yolk is over easy. It turned out terrific. Add seasonings and enjoy. To learn the easy way to poach eggs, watch this video next.